Let's get one thing straight. If you want to feel better, look better, and have more energy, it all starts in your kitchen. The truth is, the only thing standing between you and a healthier lifestyle is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't cook. Maybe you think you don't have the time, or maybe you believe healthy food is too complicated or expensive. But those are just excuses, and today, we're leaving them behind. You always find time for what's truly important, and your health should be at the very top of that list. Think about it. When you prioritize your well-being, everything else in your life improves. Your mood, your productivity, your confidence, even your relationships. Cooking at home is one of the most powerful ways to take control of your health, and it doesn't have to be a chore. I get it. You're busy. Work, family, and endless to-do lists can make it tempting to reach for takeout or order delivery. But, let's be honest. Those quick fixes rarely leave you feeling satisfied or energized. In fact, they often do the opposite. Fast food and convenience meals might save you a few minutes now, but they leave you feeling sluggish, drained, and unmotivated. Over time, those choices add up, making it harder to stay focused and feel your best. Here's the good news. Cooking a healthy meal doesn't require hours in the kitchen or a long list of fancy ingredients. In fact, some of the most delicious and nutritious meals are also the simplest. All it takes is a little planning and the willingness to try something new. All you need is 10 minutes. That's right, just 10 minutes to whip up something that will fuel your body and keep you on track with your goals. If you can spare 10 minutes scrolling on your phone, you can spare 10 minutes to cook. I'm here to show you exactly how to reclaim your kitchen and your health with fast, flavorful meals designed to help you get lean, stay energized, and feel amazing. You don't need to be a chef or have a fancy kitchen, just a willingness to start. Today, I'm giving you 7 10-minute meals that are perfect for busy professionals. These recipes are quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to keep you going strong all day long. No more excuses, just real food, real fast. With fast prep, delicious flavors, and slimming ingredients, you'll be amazed at how simple healthy eating can be. Each meal is designed to maximize taste and nutrition, so you never feel deprived or bored. We're not just cooking tonight, we're building a system for success. When you have a plan and the right recipes, healthy eating becomes automatic, not another thing to stress about. These recipes are your secret weapons against a busy life. They'll help you stay on track, save money, and feel your best, no matter how hectic your schedule gets. So, sharpen your knives, clear your counters, and get ready to transform the way you eat. This is your moment to take charge of your health, one quick meal at a time. Let's go. We're ditching the carbs and embracing a healthier, more vibrant alternative, with smoky red lentil taco cups. These are not just any taco cups, they are a nutritious, flavorful twist on a classic favorite. Use crisp bell peppers as vessels, vibrant, full of vitamins, and oil-free. These colorful peppers not only add a pop of color to your plate but also provide a satisfying crunch. The heart of this dish is red lentils, packed with fiber and protein. Red lentils are a powerhouse ingredient, offering a hearty texture and a slightly nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with our smoky spices. Cook them with smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, and garlic. These spices infuse the lentils with a deep, smoky flavor that makes each bite a delight. While they simmer, prep your bell pepper cups. Make sure to wash and dry the peppers thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Slice a bell pepper in half, remove seeds, and you have 2 edible bowls. These pepper cups are not only functional, but also add a fresh, sweet flavor to the dish. The lentils should be rich and hearty, not watery. This ensures that the filling holds together well and provides a satisfying bite. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt or lime. A squeeze of lime adds a zesty brightness that balances the smoky flavors. Spoon the lentil mixture into the bell pepper cups. Be generous with the filling to ensure each bite is packed with flavor. Top with Greek yogurt for balance and protein. The yogurt adds a creamy texture and a tangy contrast to the smoky lentils. Finish with fresh cilantro for a vibrant touch. The cilantro adds a burst of freshness and a hint of citrusy flavor. A high-fiber, high-protein meal that keeps you full for hours. This dish is perfect for those looking to maintain energy levels throughout the day. No tortilla, no crash, just pure, delicious energy. Enjoy the benefits of a meal that fuels your body and mind. That's how you do a quick lunch. Simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. Who says fast food can't be healthy? With a little creativity, you can whip up a meal that's both quick and nourishing, right in your own kitchen. Meet our sweet potato and black bean stack, a vibrant, satisfying dish that's packed with flavor and nutrients, perfect for busy days, or when you want something wholesome in a hurry. Start by microwaving a medium sweet potato for 5 to 7 minutes until it's tender and steaming hot. This step is not only fast, but it also helps preserve the sweet potato's natural sweetness and nutrients. While the sweet potato cooks, grab a can of black beans. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water to wash away excess sodium and any canning liquid, making them fresher and healthier. In a bowl, mix the beans with a generous spoonful of salsa verde, a handful of chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This combination adds a zesty kick and bright, herby flavor to the beans. Once the sweet potato is cooked, carefully slice it open and fluff the inside with a fork. The steam rising is a sign it's perfectly cooked and ready to soak up all the delicious toppings. Spoon the black bean mixture generously over the sweet potato, letting the flavors meld together. You can layer it up for a beautiful stack or keep it rustic. Either way, it's delicious. This meal is a powerhouse of nutrition, combining slow-release carbohydrates from the sweet potato with plant-based protein and fiber from the black beans. It keeps you full and energized for hours. You'll avoid sugar spikes and crashes, enjoying steady, clean fuel that supports your body and mind, perfect for work, study, or a post-workout boost. In just minutes, you've created an incredible meal that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. Fast food, redefined, right at home. For a light, fresh meal, try our shrimp and mango zoodle salad. Use pre-cooked shrimp and spiralized zucchini noodles. Add diced mango for sweetness and fresh mint for a hint of anise. A finely chopped red chili adds gentle warmth. Dress with lime juice for a clean, zesty finish. Toss gently to coat everything in lime juice, mint and chili. A vibrant, low-calorie, high-protein salad that energizes you. This savory oat protein crepe is elegant and satisfying. Blend rolled oats, egg whites, salt, pepper, and water for the batter. Cook in a non-stick pan until golden. Fill with ricotta cheese and arugula for protein and greens. Fold and enjoy a cafe-style meal at home. Packed with protein, ready in under 9 minutes. For the ultimate time-crunched professional, try our turmeric chickpea mug omelet. Combine chickpea flour, turmeric, black pepper, and water in a mug. Add spinach and scallions for nutrition. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes until firm. Serve with yogurt or chili paste for extra flavor. A high-protein, no-mess meal in under 5 minutes. This green pea and mint protein soup is ready in minutes. Blend frozen peas, fresh mint, lemon juice, and hot broth. Add Greek yogurt for creaminess and protein. Season and blend until smooth. A fresh, high-protein soup in 5 minutes. A restaurant-quality miso maple salmon rice bowl in 10 minutes. Sear a salmon fillet skin side down for crispy skin. Mix miso paste, maple syrup, and soy sauce for the glaze. Use pre-cooked rice and wilt spinach in the pan. Glaze the salmon and assemble the bowl. A perfectly balanced meal with healthy fats and fiber. 7 incredible meals, each ready in 10 minutes or less. No more excuses about being too busy. Eating healthy is about celebrating fresh ingredients. These recipes are your blueprint. Keep your fridge stocked, and you'll always have a healthy meal ready. If you love these meals, hit like and subscribe to Slimsync. New recipes every week. Cook smart, eat well, and see the difference. Now, get in the kitchen. Well done.